Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video I'll be vlogging my day, and tomorrow I'm going on a one-day small little trip with my friends, and a lot of you guys have told me to vlog my trips whenever I go to these short trips in and around in Mumbai, but I'm never really sure about how the place turns out to be. Even for tomorrow I'm not at all sure because it's a quite unexplored place that we are going to explore tomorrow, but I thought of why not vlogging this trip and taking you guys along with me. The next day morning, and I just got done preparing some snacks. I took some bread butter and so set to go.
And this is Nishisha, and today I'm going to show you how we reached the super cool natural spot. Yay!
Now we have left and we are on the way. So Nishi, do you have any idea where are we going?
No, I don't have any sort of idea about where we are heading to. I'm just told that it's more like a nature trail, and Mike has a surprise ready.
How long we are planning this?
This is a trip that has been in the pipeline since almost a couple of months now.
So we have been looking for a getaway since a really long time. I think since the whole COVID scenario has started, we really wanted to go somewhere, and finally we all managed to get permissions of our homes and convince our parents and get a day out. So how excited are you?
Pretty much excited, because if the Goa plans don't happen, I think this is the settlement we choose
So
to make.
we went to Goa last year. I think which month? Last year?
March last year.
No, June.
June last
yeah,
year.
last June, and it was so good, and we still remember everything about that trip. It was our first trip together and still the most memorable.
Of course it was. I'm sure today is going to be all the more memorable after the surprises you have for us.
We have finally reached our destination. It's the beautiful lake, as you can see. Nishi, how did you find it?
It is too good. I love it.
There is literally nobody here, and it's around 9 o'clock and it's fully empty, and it's surrounded by mountain all the sides, and it's so beautiful. We just got down and on the bank of the lake, and this is exactly how it looks like. All these hills that you see are the Western Ghats and the Matheran hill, and the lake is completely surrounded by mountains on all the corners, and it is so beautiful. Also, Kavish has an idea of renting or getting, what is it? What's your idea?
We can get an inflatable boat out here next time, and we can go
Yeah.
far into the lake.
That's
Sure.
super cool idea. What were you telling, Kavish?
Alright, so guys, we've got some porters who are getting some saman for.
So I and Kavish were sitting here since like 30 minutes, and Yasha and Nishi had gone to take some snacks which was left back in the car, and we just gave up of not going, and instead of that we went down to the lake, like the bank of the lake, and yeah, so
And see our samans here.
they are coming. They have like 4 bags. Their experience.
I don't think I want to tell that to you on the camera for sure.
Bye.
कितना देना इसका?
You're not going to carry us back down with the luggage. very hungry, and this is the only Jain food I have for the day.
Life of a Jain.
And I have a chocolate.
What are you eating?
Gundu.
What's gundu?
I'm feeding Kavish some chilies which he runs away from.
Why would you do that?
Because I'm inhuman. I just like being a bitch sometimes.
मार खुद को मार
Oh, bhai. So Kavish is going to play a small music right now. Which song are you going to play?
I'm gonna play Jeena Jeena.
And what's this instrument called?
It's called melodica. Begin. अभी चलो.
Now we have come to another spot, and this is the place, a small village where I keep on coming. Like, you must have seen the waterfall if you're following me on Instagram. If not, then please do follow. And we even changed our clothes because it was just way too hot. Nishi, how do you feel this place is?
This place is too good. It's so natural. So much of green around.
Yash, how do you think?
Good.
Kavish.
Bomb, bomb, bomb.
3, 2, go. Right now we are heading back home. We are done with a super fun and super productive day. We had lots of fun and we explored so much. What do you guys want to say about it?
This was a super fun trip, and I'm already waiting for the next one with you, Mike. So let me know what the next destination.
We had a typical picnic. It also reminded me of my school days, where we used to, spread the cloth around and have a nice time. So we had a gala time today.
Yeah.
You guys should really stay tuned for the pictures.
I just got back. It's around 6 p.m. and after such a long time I had something like a day outing with my friends. So basically today we went to like 2 places, and both these places were in Karjat itself. So the first place we went to is called Dhoom Lake, and the locals over there were calling it as Pali Lake, but I'll be linking down the Google Map link in the description box so that you guys can have a link to it. But before visiting it, do a proper research about it. And also a disclaimer that at this place the car doesn't go till the end point, so you guys will have to walk or trek maybe for around 15 minutes because the road is not very sturdy. It's like full stones, and it's like a small village through which the road goes. So but it was fun, like it was a completely different experience. But make sure if you are equipped and if you are someone who like these kind of adventures, then only go for it. Or the second place where I went to, and I have gone there before also, is another small village in Karjat itself, and I'll be linking that link also down. So in that village there are like 3-4 things that you can go and see. The first thing is the overflowing water from the dam. So if you're following me on Instagram, I am sure you have seen, I had posted a picture last week. Village has like a beautiful another lake where you can sit by and have your own picnic or a day out. But whenever you are traveling or just exploring these places, make sure that you have your own food, you are wearing comfortable clothes, and you are not littering the villages because there are people and locals staying there. And I saw saw a lot of plates and people having their picnic over there, just littering the place, and it was really disheartening. So make sure you guys don't do that. Do share this video with somebody with whom you will be going to this place, and do tell me if you go to this place and which was your favorite part and how did you have your own little day out. I'll be waiting to know that. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also if you have any other doubts, do let me know in the comment section below and I'll be happy to help you guys. Do hit the bell icon if you haven't yet so that you guys are updated whenever I upload my next video. Thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Lots of love and stay tuned.
सॉलिड मजा आ गया यार. अरे कैंसिल करिए.